This AI tool promises passive income with zero coding, so I tested it for a full week. Stick around. The results surprised me. Today I'm breaking down Synthetic AI, a new tool claiming to build money-making sites automatically. I put it through real tests: setup, traffic, earnings. But does it deliver for beginners? You'll see the honest numbers soon, and a catch you won't expect. Synthetic AI is an AI-powered platform that creates entire websites for you. Think affiliate sites, blogs, or e-com stores ready to monetize. No design skills needed. It uses AI to generate content, layouts, and even SEO tweaks. Targets beginners wanting passive income online. Priced around $27 one time via their special offer. But wait, is it truly hands-off? Let me walk you through like I did on day one. Step 1. Sign up and pick a niche. I chose fitness gadgets for affiliate marketing. Step 2. AI asks a few questions. Target audience, keywords. Hits generate. Boom, full site outline in 60 seconds. Step 3. Customize lightly. Swap images, add your affiliate links. I plugged in Amazon ones. Step 4. One-click deploy to hosting. It even suggests domains. Story time. My first site went live in 15 minutes. Felt too easy, but then I hit publish. Wait for the test results. Okay, real talk. I ran 3 tests over 7 days. Test 1. Built a fitness affiliate site. Added 10 AI-generated pages. Shared on Reddit and Twitter. Day 1 traffic, 50 visitors. But here's where things got interesting. Clicks on links spiked, but conversions? Test 2. E-com store for dropshipping. AI handled product descriptions. Integrated Stripe. First sale. Day 3, $12 profit. Test 3. Blog on AI tools. Posted to Pinterest. 200 views in 48 hours. Earnings from ads, $8. Open loop. The big surprise hit on day 5. Traffic doubled overnight. Why? Coming up. I tracked everything. Time spent, under 2 hours total. Costs, $27 plus $10 domain, and scaled to 3 sites. But there's a catch with scaling. Honest numbers. Total traffic, 450 visitors across sites. Earnings, $47 from affiliates plus ads after fees. Time, ROI, 3x what I spent. Good. Fast setup wins for beginners. Content ranks quick on Google. Bad. AI text needs human edits sometimes. Felt generic. No built-in traffic tools. You hustle that. One site glitched on mobile, but it gets better. Passive mode kicked in after tweaks. Earnings still trickling week 2. Pros, beginner-proof, no tech skills. Quick builds, sites in minutes. Monetization ready, affiliate friendly. Cheap entry, one-time fee. Cons, content edits needed for quality. Traffic not automatic. Limited templates early on. Support slow on weekends. Simple, great starter, not a full business in a box. Perfect for total beginners testing affiliate marketing. Side hustlers with 1-2 hours week. Anyone scared of WordPress. Skip if you're advanced, use custom stacks, or want zero effort traffic. Wait, verdict time. Is synthetic AI worth it? Yes. For beginners, 8-10. Real passive potential if you tweak. Not a scam, I made money. But pair with free traffic hacks I share in comments. Skip if you hate editing AI output. If this fits your hustle, grab it via link in description. Special deal active. But watch my full test replay first. Questions? Drop below.